My phone fell and I've been having a screen problem. So I've had this phone since 2017 and I'm doing this recording in 2019. I really love this phone, so I've kept it so well. There are no scratches or whatsoever on my phone. For those wondering if I had a screen protector, yes, I had a screen protector, but this didn't, I guess it didn't prevent it from getting my screen in this worse state. So I checked online for a couple of solutions, and there's one that I'm sure is going to help fix my flickering problem. So my phone is still in a very good condition aside a screen problem that we're about to fix together now. There's no scratch or whatsoever on my phone. The only problem I have now is when I press the home button, the screen flickers. So this is how we are going to solve this flickering problem. You first of all try to maximize the brightness on your screen. All you need to do is go to settings on your phone. So try and look for settings on your phone. I know it's going to be very difficult, but with this flickering problem, but just try and search for setting on your phone. I was really having a tough time finding settings on my phone. Then when you get to setting, go to display, and when you enter your display section on your phone, just try and increase the brightness. So like I said, you first go to settings, then from settings you go to display. I was having a tough time doing this on my phone because of the screen flickering, but just it's going to be tough, but guys, just be patient and try and do this. So let me repeat it again. You go to settings, then from settings you go to display, then you turn up your brightness level. So you have to increase it, not decrease it. I tried to decrease it to see if I was going to solve this problem, but it didn't help. So I would advise that you increase the brightness. So in summary, you only have to adjust your brightness to the highest level, and voila, your phone is going to be fixed. Kindly like and comment my video, and let me know again if this really helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to Ohima DMSO channel. And guys, show me love. Just show me love. Keep on commenting, liking, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So our phone is now back and functioning.